Hey guys, I had just made a video talking about this new Halloween event for zombies in Black Ops 4. It's called Halloween Calling, and you unlock certain things when you do certain challenges. The event runs for 12 more days, and you unlock XP and also these very interesting war paint skins. There are 4 tiers, and the first tier wants you to get 1,500 kills, and when you do, you'll unlock the Cthulhu war paint. To locate the skins, you just go into personalization, and you'll find them here. There's 4 that are locked for all characters, and I think those are coming from supply drops. So the first one you unlock on tier 1 is for 1,500 kills, and it is a Cthulhu skin. And I already showed what that looked like in my previous video, but I'll show you guys again. It's very colorful with like purple and blacks and blues, and it's got a squid design on the face. And this is available for all the characters and zombies, and also multiplayer. For tier 2, you unlock the Gargoyle war paint skin, and you have to go 100 rounds. You don't have to do this in a single game, you just have to accumulate 100 rounds. And this has to be in the classic mode. You can't do this in custom mutations, and this is the same for all of these 4 challenges. They have to be done in classic. Once you unlock the Gargoyle skin, you can find it in the personalization area and just equip it if you want to check it out. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in game. In this menu, it looks much different than it does actually in game. It's a little bit more vibrant and has more detail, obviously. So in my last video, I only had Cthulhu and the Gargoyle unlocked, and now we've got the next 2 unlocked. So we've got all 4 tiers complete. So tier 1 was to get 1,500 kills, tier 2 was to go 100 rounds, and then tier 3 is to get 1,000 headshots. Once you get 1,000 headshots, you're going to get 5,000 XP and also the Demon War Paint skin. Again, you can find this in personalization, and you can put this on any character. I'll show you guys what this looks like in game. Again, it looks a lot better in game than in the menus, and this one is my second favorite. The last one that you get on the 4th tier is so cool. I'll show you guys that in a moment. I'll move in a little closer here so you can get a better look at it on RICHTOFEN. It's definitely demon and very devilish looking. I do like this one. The black lipstick looks hysterical on RICHTOFEN. I think right here he kind of turns and opens his mouth some. Looks pretty funny. Now I'll show you guys the 4th and final tier and what you have to do to get it. So you have to get 1,000 kills with a repacked weapon. That means you have to go in and spend 5,000 to pack it and then 2,500 to pack it again, and you're going to get an AAT, which is an alternative ammo type. And that's just the elemental additional effect to the weapon, like the cryo freeze one and also the brain rot that turns the zombies into allies. And once you get these 1,000 kills with a repacked weapon, you're going to get 10,000 XP and this alien war paint skin. It doesn't look like much in the menus. It looks kind of green, but when you're in game, this thing is like neon glow in the dark green. You can see a player from across the map. It's so cool. It shows up really well in dark areas, and you can see how bright his face is glowing right here. It looks very alien. Love it. It's very cool. You could definitely surprise some players on public match that aren't aware of this challenge or even what this is. They will definitely be shocked. So it shows up really good in the dark, and it looks really good in the lighter areas of the maps as well. I haven't checked it out on the other characters, but it definitely looks really nice and stands out really well on RICHTOFEN. Also, once you have all 4 tiers completed, if you go back to that main page that shows you what the objectives are, it's just gone. It says that the Halloween event is complete and there's nothing there. After seeing all these, I certainly can't wait to see what they're going to do in the future, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!